So I've just been doing our usual check before we head off this morning. Came across a loose bearing in the back wheel. You can see that's quite wobbly. So if we don't address that this morning, that'll get damaged by the end of the day, and it'll be a major repair. So we'll get that hubcap off, check the wheel nut, and zip it back up. Just crack those wheel nuts before we lift it up. Makes it a bit easier to get them off later. So before we've even started looking at this repair, we made sure we got the trailer up in a nice flat ground, open area. We always carry a jacking plate. Really important in sandy areas, outback areas where you often have soil that can squash down. So I've just got the wheel up to take the pressure off the bearing. You can see there's a whole lot of movement there. Bearing may well be really flogged out. We might have to replace it. Yeah, we'll get that hubcap off and go from there. Now you can see there's quite a lot of movement there. The grease is still pretty clean though, so no water damage, which is good. We'll get that split pin off, tighten up that nut, see how we go. So good news, bearing's all in good shape, just need a little bit of tightening up there. Nice and solid again. We had the trailer serviced before we came on the trip. After a couple of days running, that's just loosened up, needed tightening up. Now that we've tightened it up, I'm going to make sure we just watch the heat in that bearing. So I'll be checking again through a few times today. Make sure it hasn't loosened up any further. Good to go.